Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. Today I'm going to be cooking up Chourico Picante along with some russet potatoes. This is a Portuguese dish, old school dish. So let's get right into the video. Alright, first things first, peel the potatoes. Old school way. No potato peeler here. Alright, next up, rinse. Alright, now cut them up. Shout out to the vegetable oil. I eye it. Should I say eyeball it? Good enough. It's time to cut up our Chourico Picante. It's pork, and this is its intestine. Shout out to the pork for donating the meat. Well, it's gonna get a little hectic over here. Not too bad. Thought the oil was gonna splatter all over the place. So now I leave it in for 5 minutes before I apply the potatoes. And I'll turn them around 2.5 minutes. So if you want to see what that was again, it says right up here, Chourico Picante. You can order it from Queijaria. And there's the unit price. There we go. Portugalia Marketplace. That's where you want to go. Go there online. Check it out. Alright, it's been 2.5 minutes. Now add the fries right over it. Put it all out. At this point, I would normally add Antonio's red crushed pepper onto this, but since I'm out here in the Sunshine State, they don't have that. Closest thing I found to it is this right here. You can check this out at Walmart. Anyways, Alright, so take a fork and I check to see they're cooked, they're soft, they're ready for action. So now I'm going to dump the oil, I'm going to leave them in here, dry them out a little bit, get a little bit of that grease out of there. That's it. Put it onto your plate and ready to eat and repeat. Alright, there you have it, folks. Nice, easy meal. Potatoes and Chourico Picante. Let's give it a taste test. Delicious on the fries. Now let's give it a shot for the Chourico. Side's a little burnt. Don't matter. Not a problem. Not a problem if it's burnt. Yep. Beautiful. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick video. Nice easy meal. Wow, nice and spicy too. Just the way I like it. Clears your body real quick. Again, thanks for coming in, checking out this video. Cheers.